welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of color today. As you can see, if you want to see how I achieved this periwinkle purple look, continue on watching. So my eyes are already set for color. Today we're going to be using this palette that I just got. It's the BH palette. It's the ultimate matte palette, BH Cosmetics, from BH Cosmetics. So this palette is so pretty to me. Look at all these colors. Look, beautiful, right? And I love a matte palette, so we're gonna get right into this look. So my eyes are good. I'm gonna make sure everything is smooth, right? So I'm just taking my Morphe brush and I'm going to pick up this, I guess you could say, periwinkle color right here. It's a beautiful color, you guys. This palette is so pigmented. Like, you're gonna see how pigmented this color is. Like, this palette is amazing. So we're gonna start at the outer corner and we're just gonna pat that color in, and you already see how pigmented it is. And I'm just gonna continue to pat that on, focusing this color right on my crease. How are you guys today? You know, I be trying to record every weekend, but lately it's been every other weekend. But you know, for me to be, you know, I do want to eventually get big on YouTube, you know, so God willing, you know. So for me to get big, you know, and be consistent, I have to post every weekend, if anything, if not every day. But trying to you know, think of looks is hard for me. So before I got this eye look, I did another one and I didn't like how it came out. Continuing to pat that color in, I didn't like how it came out. And it wasn't even this color, it was the same palette, but it was a pink color. And this pink in this palette is something serious. It's basically like a highlighter pink. It's so pretty. Maybe next time I'll try to achieve a look with that pink. But as you can see, I'm just continuing to pat this color on, and this color is so pretty. But yeah, so I really want to grow and, you know, create good content for you guys, but it's kind of hard when you guys don't comment any looks that you guys want to see. So I have to think of stuff, you know, make things up as I go. But you know, it's a learning process, so, and it takes time. So as you can see, I'm just literally just patting this color on. I'm not even blending yet. And the color is so pretty, you guys. Just look. It is so pretty. Now I'm starting to blend it out just a little bit. As you guys know, I do have a mirror down here, so that is why I am looking down. And I may pick it up just a little bit, just so I can, you know, really see what I'm doing with these colors. Because when you have bright colors like this, blending is definitely key, because you will see that you just added a color on and you did not blend it. As you can see on this eye, you don't really know where it starts or it begins because I blended it correctly and I took my time. So when it comes to bright colors, like, you really have to blend. So once I have this color down like this, in the same palette, I am going to pick up this purple right here. And the same thing, I am going to pat that on, but I'm gonna pat it on right here, just right above. Just patting it on. And you see how pigmented that purple is? Like, this palette is something serious. And yeah, I only paid $10 for it. And that's what is just crazy to me. A palette this good, this pigmented, $10? Come on now. Can't beat that. Today is Saturday. What are you guys doing today? Are you guys going out? You know? I'm not, because I don't like going out. I do sometimes, but that's if my best friend, you know, asks me to. And then if I, you know, don't tell her, no, I don't want to go, which I usually do. No, I'd rather stay home, and she hates that. But I'm a homebody. So since I do have it down, the purple down, I am going to start to blend. Blend the periwinkle, I'm gonna call it periwinkle, and the purple together. And this is a very, very easy look. I know I should be doing like fall colors, because I guess it's fall right now. But I live in Florida, so it's not even cold outside, y'all. So I hope I'm not too booby right now. Now I'm picking up more of that periwinkle and I'm starting to blend with it. Just blend it out. Like so. I don't know why every time I get on camera, I always have to cough or something. Is that nerves or something? I don't know. You see, just blending it out. And I do see that when you don't post consistently, Jesus, that, you know, people kind, you know, start to forget that, you know, you don't have a YouTube. And, you know, when you post your next video, it doesn't get as much views. So I definitely need to start trying to post every weekend instead of every other weekend, because I do want my channel to grow. So yeah. As you can see, I'm just picking up more of that purple if I'm losing it and blending it. And if I'm losing the periwinkle, I pick that up. So So I'm just blending this out, and I do wipe some off, same brush, and then I just blend it out with more. The top with no color and stuff like that. So like I said, blending is definitely key when you are doing color, because like I said, when you just put a color on top of a color and you do 2 swipes and you think you blended, we could see where you put the color on top of the, when you put the color on top and on top and on top, and there is no gradient effect and it's ugly, you know? Like, I hate when people do their makeup. And like I said, I'm no makeup artist. This is my opinion, you know? So I hate when I see someone do their makeup and I just see a color on top of color. Like, say if you do how I did my cut crease right here and you put 3 colors, 2 colors, and you don't blend it correctly and it just look like a block, a block, a block. It's not cute. Don't do it. Like, blend is so ugly. And people just don't understand that. Like, oh, did I just get irritated? Ooh, with my own thoughts. My own opinions just piss me off. And if you see me looking there, I have a mirror right behind also, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And pick up another brush. Actually, no, I'm not. This brush has black, so I'm not doing that. I'm just blending everything out. And adding more purple because I feel like I'm losing it. So these type of looks are, I guess you can say, time consuming or whatever, but it is what it is. There's like kind of a gradient effect. It's really smooth. You don't see where the color starts, where it begins. Like, that's what you want. That's essentially what you want. So since I am happy with that, I am going to cut my crease. Like I said, this look is very easy. It's very quick. So I just took some Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige on the back of my hand. There you have it. So I just cut my crease. And I'm gonna take some of that Periwinkle and I'm just gonna place it right here. And I'm gonna start to bring it, you'll see, I don't know how to explain it. A little bit in. And because I do not want to mess that up, I'm going to take a angled brush, a small angled brush, and I'm going to pick up some of that color, and you'll see what I'll do. I'm basically kind of cutting that. Like that. So So now we're gonna take the same palette and we're going to pick up this light purple pink color right here on a flat brush, and we're gonna put it where we cut the crease. Now we're going to add our lashes. We are not doing eyeliner today because when I do colors like this, I do not like eyeliner, and if I do add eyeliner, it's not a black eyeliner. It's a different color eyeliner, but I think this looks good without liner, so we're gonna keep it like that. Hey guys, so I went ahead and added some lashes and I put on my foundation. Now I'm letting my concealer sit a little bit and I'm going to blend it out right now. I did all that because you guys already know what I do and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna speed through this also.
I'd probably take her. Young 7 make a splurge. Play that shit at TNT. Been struggling most of our life, you can only imagine how we feel. Look into our eyes, you see that pain that we each feel. Never seen my grandma work, so I had to hustle just to eat still. Mama never said she loved me, so I never know how she feels. Daddy wasn't really there, that's why I'm thugging in the street still. I come from the bottom where we thanking God for each meal. I come from a place where niggas crashing off the deep end. I come from the jungle where it's killed or you can feel it. All my lyrics, you understand just how he feel. They used to struggle, so we hustle to pay each bill. Never met his daddy, he locked up without a free will. Told his mama not to worry, he gon' make sure that they eat still. The hustling on that corner, dedicated, he couldn't give in. Trust issues, antisocial, he ain't never had a real friend. Too loyal to that money, he too busy running up in. Started moving reckless, he wasn't watching his surroundings. Niggas from the other side didn't like how he was grinding. Started plotting on to come up cause they knew he poppin'. See when he spent that big, he was trapping with surrounded. Never seen him coming, all he felt was bullet rising. His body hit the floor, he in a portal. He closed his eyes, his body getting cold. See, this is not the way he was to go.
I don't wanna lose. Came up from the bottom, you either make it or you screw. I don't really care about nobody, I carry on my tool. I am not a killer, don't play me or try me. I swear to God, I'll smoke you if you really try it. Only care about the blues cause I stack it and stack it. Only worry about the money, can't nobody stop me. I stack it tall to the ceiling. I feel my grandma present when I'm alone. I swear I miss my cousin from the bottom heart. Voodoo ladies say I be alone. The devil see my future. He make it hard but I appreciate it. I believe in God because he's strong. Can't nobody do me wrong. Sometimes I feel like I nobody. I don't wanna catch nobody. But don't you blame.
So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I added some gloss to my lips and I hope you guys like the look and how it came out. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a slow-mo at the end as usual, so don't forget to check that out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.